Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Giggling Minds Flavors. Today we will prepare more sought out South Indian dish, Aappam. Making Aappam is not any big deal in South India. However, this video is specially made for our North Indian viewers on their request. Here are the ingredients: Kacha chawal 3 cups, cooked rice 2 cups, grated coconut 1 cup, yeast 1/4 of a teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 of a teaspoon, salt to taste, sugar 2 teaspoons. Let's get into the preparation. Wash and soak the rice for 3 to 4 hours. Here we are using mixer to grind. Hence we are grinding it in 3 portions. We can also use a grinder to mix all at once. Empty the grated coconut to the mixer. Add little water and grind well. Add 1 portion of soaked rice. Add little water and grind well. Empty it into a container. Now put second portion of the soaked rice to the mixer. Add cooked rice. Add little water and grind well. Empty to the same container. Now add the remaining soaked rice to the mixer. Add little water. Add yeast, grind well. Add salt, grind well. Empty to the container. Add half glass of water and mix it well. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Add baking soda. Add sugar. Mix well. Aappam batter is ready. Keep it aside for overnight or minimum of 8 to 10 hours. Now let's make Aappam. Mix the Aappam batter before preparation. Heat the Aappam non-stick pan or tawa or kadai. Take a big spoon full of batter and pour it in the middle of the tawa. Turn it in circular motion like this. Cover it with a lid. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Keep the stove in medium to low flame. Remove the lid. Now gently remove the appam from the tawa. Hot, crispy and soft appam is ready. Will taste delicious with kadla curry or kala chana curry. The link for preparation of kala chana curry is given in the description box. Hope you enjoyed the dish. We'll come back with another recipe soon. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Thank you for watching.